Hello. This is a tool for recognizing user emotion or cognitive emotion using emojis. It could be any stimulus at all, such as a web interface or a picture or image interface or any visual content that, say, a designer or a user will want to analyze. It's a form of web analytics for rapid design decision. So the web page or the interface can be loaded in, and then we can view the eye movement and also the emotional response of the user, which are in form of um, emoji emblems. So for this case, on this app, the web page or the URL of the interface of Stimuli, you enter it through a text field. Say for instance, you want to analyze the page, probably a certain number of visitors on that page per day. So you want to analyze it and see the emotional response or the product that the user viewed mostly. So you can type in the URL of the page and run the program. This automatically calls in the web page. Basically, this is dynamic, so it can analyze it using static mode only. So in this process, the database of emoji is called in, and we can view the captured pages or the captured page by typing a static name, which is a default, such as the pig1.png, and we can view the static page captured. So the entire page is static for this instance. The previous one was dynamic, so it can only analyze based on static images or static web process or web design. So you can view the emotions. First of all, it will, in first instance, it will run the eye movement, then it will display the emotions based on the emoji. There are 8 database of emoji here for the status form of like a prototype, which could be developed using Java, but this is developed using MATLAB, which is very difficult. Some of these indexes or axes are 3-dimensional, placed on 2-dimensional plane. So in this case, if you want to design or visualize the benign mode of a user or person that visited your website, you can simply click on the benign mode and see the response. The eye movement mostly indicates where the user looked at, but it doesn't tell us the emotion of the user. So the emoji are synchronous or correlates to the eye movement. So the feelings they observe there are correlated to the benign mood of the user. So you can simply tell the average user that visited the page here mostly were benign mood or benign users which are safe for the website or are more comfortable for designers. So for instance, if you want to see if any hacker or hacker mode was detected, you can click the hacker mode. It will run the eye movement, the average eye movement of the day, and we can see the hacker mode correlates to the eye movement from the users or the visitors on that particular web page. Hacker means, for this case, some say person that has probably an abnormal attitude of visitor on your page, trying to hack into the database for not very interesting or safe purposes. So we can also view a brave mood, probably somebody that is using the website or visiting the website for the first time, and to see whether it's either stressed or say brave. You can click on the brave mode to run the average eye movement for that day and the corresponding brave mode that correlates to these um, fixations. Mostly the fixations, they tell us nothing. So the emoji can tell us the emotion of the user while visiting the page. If they are relaxed, if they are stressed, or they have a hacker ambience, or whichever ambience you want to view for each web for each page that you want to analyze. You can load in more than one pages to analyze at the same time, running it on different time interval.